Having trouble logging into TikTok account, like getting an incorrect username error or unable to authorize? No need to stress. In this video, I will walk you through all the solutions to fix it on your Android phone. The issue could be with your credentials or a small app bug, so let's try these fixes to get you back on track. Solution 1. Try a different login method. When you try to log into your account in TikTok, you get multiple methods to get in, so if one doesn't work out, you can always try another one. So go to the login method of your TikTok app. Once you're there, try to log into your account. Generally, you get options like use phone, email, username, continue with Facebook, and continue with Google. So first tap on use phone, email, username. Now if you had trouble logging in with your email, then try logging in with your phone number. But if you had problems with your number, try logging in your email and username instead. But in case none of these work, you can go back and try to continue with Facebook or continue with Google. See which one works out for you. Hopefully, at least one of them should help you log in. But in case you can't log in with any of these, there might be a problem with your app. You can try Solution 2 to fix this. Solution 2. Clear TikTok cache and data. Since the problem is with the bug in your app, clearing its cache and data should help. Go to your app gallery or home screen. Tap and hold on to the TikTok app. Then tap on the I button or app info. This will take you to your TikTok settings. Search for the option storage from here. Once found, tap on it. Now tap on clear cache. Then tap clear data. Tap on delete to confirm the action. Remember that this will delete everything inside your TikTok app and completely reset it. But after the reset, your login issues should be completely sorted out. I really hope this video helped you out. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out.